back to another video. So, Melody Susie has sent me out this to do a review on. So this is the Atena cordless nail drill. That's the website there. I'll leave the website in my description box. I've got a discount code for Melody Susie as well. I'm not sure if I've got a discount code or if you just click the link and it automatically gives you the money off. I'm not sure, but I'll leave it all in the description box anyway. So shall we get it opened and have a look? So this is how it comes packaged. Very pretty. So we get some sanding bands with it. So there's purple and orange. So I think that's going to be... Oh, there's purple, orange and red. So I think that's going to be fine, medium and coarse. That's cool. Can you see? That one's red, that one's orange. And then we've got the purple. Cool, so we've got that. And then we've got a medium large barrel bit. That's cool because that's what I use majority of the time. I use a medium bit, so I'm happy with that. It comes with your standard diamond bits that you get with 99% of e-files. So it comes with USB. This is a type C as well. And this is the e-file. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Wow, that is heavy. So you get your user manual with all this. Right, so I'm wondering if it's got any power in it already. No. Right, so let's get this plugged in and get it charged. Right, so I've had it on charge while I've had my tea and everything. Oh gosh, what? How's that turned on automatically? Right, so it's got 3 speeds. So the minute you turn it on, you hold this in to turn it on, and it's got 3 speeds. So it's got low, medium and high, and it's got forward and reverse. So you hold it in to turn it on. So that's it on low mode. It's not very loud. And then to turn it from forward into reverse, you press that and it automatically goes into reverse. I'd be curious to know how you know it's in forward or reverse. You'd have to feel it, I think. Right, so let's turn this off. What I'm going to do to try it, I'm going to use my own bit. Only because I don't want to test, I want to test it with a bit that I know. Because bits can mean everything. You can think your drill is crap and it's not actually the drill, it's the bit you're using. So I want to use a bit that I know and use a lot, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use my own bit. It's actually the same. It's a medium bit. Mine's a safety bit. I'm going to use that. So I like this as well. It's got the twist lock. I don't like the ones that push in and out. So you just twist that to lock it and that's it locked. I'm going to use the sanding band just to see what it's going to be like for taking off the top coat, etc. And then we'll use the medium bit. This is, I can't remember if it's polygel or hard gel. I think it's hard gel and it's quite thick. So I'm going to use a sanding band just to get through that top coat. And then we'll see if it gets through this. A lot of the portables I have tried, like this, that are just a handpiece on their own. Then they're alright for removing gel polish, but yeah, not for acrylics and hard gels and stuff. But this feels heavy, like it's got a good motor in it. So I'm curious to see if it gets through the hard gel and stuff. So let's try it with a sanding band first to get this top coat off. So this would just act like removing a gel polish manicure, wouldn't it? So let's try it, and I'm going to try it on low. Nope, that's no good on low, that's for sure. Let's try it on medium. Right, so on the low setting, not a chance, low setting I would use for, you know, getting the shiny surface off, for prep, for getting rid of dead skin around your cuticle, getting the shiny surface off. Yeah, I would use it on the low setting for nail prep, and medium setting very easily took off that top coat actually. So now I'm going to try it on the high setting with the medium bit and see if we can get through this hard gel. But yeah, that cut through that top coat, no bother on the medium setting. But yeah, low setting I would use for nail prep. So let's go. Right guys, oh my god, I'm well impressed. It cut through that like butter, and to say it's not got your motor separate, everything is in this little, the weight of it is unreal. I mean, it's not that heavy that it'd make it difficult to use. By the weight of it, I mean, you can feel that it's got a really good motor in there. It's not flimsy, and the weight of it is here as well where you're holding it, which makes it easy. But oh my gosh, did you see it cutting through that? Absolutely amazing. And I like the 3 speeds actually that they've put it on, because speed 1, yeah, would be brilliant for nail prep. It's really loose, really slow, really soft, so it wouldn't be too dangerous, if you will, around your cuticles, dead skin and all stuff like that. Medium setting would be good for taking off just your gel polish and top coat, and then the high setting just melted through that. It really did. Yeah, it didn't try and stop, it wasn't stuttering, it didn't struggle whatsoever. Yeah, I'm really happy with it, really happy with it. It's a bloody good little file. Fantastic for salons that are mobile, that go to people's houses and stuff, because your e-file, even the portable ones that come with the little side motor, get rid of that square motor. They're normally about that big, aren't they? And you could fit 3 more acrylics in place of it, or 3 more gels, whatever. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I am, definitely. So yeah, that's everything that it came with. I will try that, but I just wanted to try a drill bit today that I knew, so I could give it a fair test. But yeah, I am very impressed with it. So that's everything that it came with, everything that you need. I think they've got it in different colours as well, I think. Don't quote me, but I think they've got it in different colours. But yeah, really, really good portable little file. Like I said, I've tried a few of these portables that are just a handpiece, and they're crap. They're absolute dog shit. This is a good one. But yeah, anyway guys, all details will be in the description box. Links, discount codes, yada yada yada. It'll all be in the description box. Definitely worth checking out if you want a portable that's just a handpiece, definitely. But yeah, anyway, that's it for today guys. Just a quick one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hit your notification bell as well, so you get notified every time I upload. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.